Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, I missed it. Oh, it's a monster. Oh my gosh, that's a... So refreshing. The last time I was here, I only caught 2 fish, and in my opinion, wasn't enough to make a video, so I had to come back, and let's just say the topwater is on fire. So excited to show y'all. That's coming at me. So hard to keep your head still when there's so much activity. There we go. What do we got? Is it a flatty? It's what we're after. There we go. Looks small, but we'll net them just in case. Oh my. We're on the board. We are on the board. That's all we needed, baby. Yeah, 14.5. I don't know if y'all can see that. Flounder in my area. You can keep 5. They have to be a minimum of 14 inches. Let's measure them. First one of the day. Let's go. 14 and a half. Almost 15. Let's keep them. Alright, I caught that first flounder on this jig head. These are made by Z-Man. I love them because I don't know if y'all can see the swivel on it, but it just gives this bait so much action. And then this paddle tail white just looks great in this dark muddy water. So let's go see if we can get another one. That is one hell of a duck. What is that? One. Oh, I guess it's only 2. Oh, I guess it's 3 stories if you count that bottom piece. That is crazy. Any flounder home? See if we can skip one underneath there. Nope. Oh gosh, I just missed one. You gotta be kidding me. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a better fish. That's a better fish. What do we got? What is it? It's not a better fish. My drag was just super loose. Look at the blue tail on this red. Wow. Look at how blue that tail is. Incredible. Alright, it's 12 o'clock. I've been fishing since 7. And I've caught 2 fish. So, needless to say, I will be back out here probably Saturday, maybe Sunday, but here soon so I can put this video together. But just wanted to keep it real. Like, some days I'll come out and catch plenty of fish for one video, and then other days it might take me 2 or 3 days just to put something together. But I like to be transparent with that because YouTube's a highlight reel for most people, and that's what a lot of people think, and that's just not the case. It takes a lot of work. But anyways, I will see y'all back out here in a few days. Oh, just missed it. Fuck. Come on, come back. I'm not on my game right now. Not on my game. Oh my god, literally not on my game. Threw it on the tire. Alright, I need some caffeine. Come back. That was a good hit. There we go. What is it? Oh, a nice little trout. First fish of the day. I don't know, we're about 10 minutes into it, so good start. We got an overcast day, so I'm gonna be throwing this probably most of the day, unless I get into a deeper hole, because I really want some more flounder. But this color, topwater, overcast, redfish, it's gonna happen. Oh my gosh, that was a red. Oh, keep reeling it. Do I got him? Oh, I got him. I got him. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, in the shallows, baby. On the top. Woo! Oh, he's going deep. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, underneath. Woo! Get you in the net. Oh my gosh. I'm struggling. Let's go. Oh, top water. I saw that fish come too. I knew it. 21 and a half, baby. Beautiful fish on the top water. Let's go. Oh, that's them swimming right there. Literally right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude, that thing exploded. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Literally nothing better than topwater hits. This might be a bigger fish. Woohoo! Let's go. Let's get him in the net. Oh, there goes my paddle. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling. Let's go, baby. Red number 2. Look how blue the tail is. Beautiful. So in Florida, you're only allowed to keep one, and I already got my one, so I'm gonna let this guy go. Let's get it. That was sick. Right where that crab trap is, is the start of a drop off, and it's probably about 10 feet until it comes up into the shallows over on this side. And it's been money all day. Oh, that looked good over there. I'm just in such shallow water, I can't even pedal. Oh my gosh! I was not expecting that. Wow. That was awesome. These little fellas are hung. Oh, I foul hooked it. Oh no, I got him. Jeez. Let's get you in here real quick. Red number 3. You can see the 2 spots on that side, 3 spots on this side. Beautiful fish, healthy. Gonna let him go. What the hell was that? What was that? Let's see if we can throw it and rip it through. Oh my gosh, I got it, whatever it was. Oh God. Woo! That was sick. Holy crap, it's a monster trout. Oh, it's a monster. Oh my gosh, that's a big trout. That is a huge trout. Oh my gosh, that is a monster. Oh, holy crap. That is a big trout. Oh my gosh, get in the net. I can't believe how much I'm struggling today. Oh my gosh. That is a monster trout. Oh. Dude, right at the end of the day too. Wow. Just got this monster of a speckled trout. Holy crap, guys. That is huge. 22 inches. 22-inch speckled trout. That's the biggest fish of the day. Bigger than all of the reds. Wow, amazing. Right to the bone. Beautiful fillet. It's probably been, I'm not kidding, 10 years since I've cleaned one of these, so good to know I still got it. Just took me a while. So we're gonna do a ceviche with this flounder and keep it really simple. We're just gonna be doing some limes, jalapeno, red onion, cilantro, some cherry tomatoes, and then coconut milk. And I actually was gonna do cucumber, but I forgot it at the store, so here we are. But I'm gonna get to chopping, and then I will be back and show y'all how we put this together. We got our fish all cut up in small little chunks. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it's really thin. And then all I'm gonna do is take these limes, cut them up, juice it over here, and then set this in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour while I prep everything else. And also, if anybody knows of a good knife sharpener, let me know in the comments, because this one sucks and this knife is getting really dull. Alrighty, we got the fish all covered in juice. Now we're just gonna go in the fridge for 30 minutes. Great beer, by the way. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our coconut milk and pour it into a bowl. Like so. We got a little bit of sugar. I don't know, maybe a tablespoon. Pour that in. Some salt. Then the secret ingredient, some ground ginger. Fresh ginger would probably be better, but this is what I have, so. And we're gonna stir that up. So our fish is done. Let's show you. It's like a opaque white. Looks great. It cooked pretty quickly because I cut it up really thin. But all I'm gonna do is just pour this lime juice out and then replace it with the coconut milk that we just made. So now that that's drained, we're just gonna go in with our coconut milk. We're just gonna lightly coat that. Looks great. The fish is ready. So now that this is all cured, I'm just gonna add the remaining ingredients. So I have some finely cut up red onion. And when I say thin, I mean, oh, that's 2 pieces. Like really thin. Just gonna sprinkle that in here. Might add more. Some tomato. I don't want to, I have more, but I don't want to overpower the fish. Like, that's the main ingredient, so can always add more. About 1/4 of a jalapeno. I'm not big on spice, like I like a little heat, but I'm a pretty big baby when it comes to that. Then some cilantro. And we're just gonna stir this up. Oh my God. So refreshing. Perfect mixture of like that coconut flavor, lime, both just gel super well. The ginger, get a little hint of that. The only thing I think I would do differently is I would add more jalapeno. I didn't realize how much the coconut milk would like take the bite out of the jalapeno. So like having a little bit of extra heat would be perfect. But anyways, I'm gonna sit outside and enjoy this. It's a beautiful day out. And just wanted to thank y'all for watching and get outside. I would love to hear in the comments like where y'all plan on fishing next. Like if you live in say Alaska or shit, even Utah, it doesn't matter. I just would love to hear where y'all are fishing and what are y'all targeting. So drop a comment. Thank y'all again.